Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 292. If we start with this box, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 7. I don't see any other help. So 4, 9, 4, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 2, 1 here, so 6, 1. For this column now, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got 2 and 7 here, so this is our 4. I don't see any other help. So 2, 7, 2, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 covering these two boxes, so 2, 8, 2, 8. That means that our 6 for that box has to be here. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so this is our 9. That 9 makes this our 4, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 3. 8 here, so 1, 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 3. 9 here, so 6, 9. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. For this column, we're missing 1 and 7. And we've made a mistake again because we've got a 1 here and a 1 here. So that will do it for today's puzzle. If you saw where I made a mistake, leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.